how to use Evernote. Stay productive and organized. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Evernote to create your own projects, manage your team, get more productive and organized. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to evernote.com and you will land on this platform right here. Evernote is a project management software that allows you to take notes, create your own tasks, and schedule all in one place. It has all the right features and tools to help you manage your team and run a successful online business. So, how to sign up? The signing up process is really easy. You can simply sign up for free. With Evernote, we get three pricing plans. You can see right here we have a free plan, which is going to be free forever, that allows you to take great notes and get organized. Then there is a personal plan, which is going to be $7.99 per month. And then we have a professional plan, which is going to be $9.99 per month. You can simply select a plan and get started with it. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the free plan. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up for Evernote, this is where you will get. This is our dashboard, and now let me show you how to use Evernote. It's super easy and helps you save a lot of time. You can create and customize your own workspace. You will find the option of New right here. When you click on New, you will be able to create a new task. Then you simply enter your task name. So let's say this is going to be a task 1, and then I can simply go ahead and select a due date, add a reminder, set a flag, and assign this task to someone. Then this is the list that I'm going to add it to. I can also go ahead and move this task. Simply click on create and a new task is created. So if I go to notes right here, then I will be able to see that I have one task in my this note right here. Similarly, I can add more than one task in a list. Again, you will click on new, go to task. Let's call it task 2. This is going to be the list and click on create. So now I have two tasks in my things to do list. To create a new list, you simply click right here and give your list a name. Let's go ahead and call it work. And this is going to be a project plan. You can simply select the type of node that you want to create. The first one was a list view, which is like a things to do. And then the second one I created is a work one. And in here, I will be able to check a calendar view and I will have an idea that what I did in week 1, week 2, week 3, or week 4. It's super easy to use Evernote, and it's the kind of like a project management that helps you keep notes, and it is actually a note platform, as you can tell by the name. So now I can simply go ahead and type in that what I have to do on Monday or in week 1. You can also change the color for different boxes. So let's go ahead and add few tasks. So this is how you simply add different projects that you have to do in week 1, week 2. So this is for my work. Also go ahead and add different, labels such as notes started, on track, at risk, block, or delayed. So for notes started, I'm going to go ahead and add, and now I can add different labels right here if I want to. We can also go ahead and check the text, change the color, and change alignment, insert links, and more. Once you're done, you will simply, click on save and it will be saved right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and create more notes. When it comes to notebooks, we can create different notebooks, like in simple words, different dashboards. So that was my first notebook, and in my first notebook, I have these two tasks that I have created. If I go back to my notebooks, I can go ahead and create a new one. This is actually really good. Let's say that you're using Evernote for studies. So you can go ahead and create a notebook for each of different subjects. And then your each subject can have different lessons. And each lesson can have your study plan. That's good, right? And I think it will be really useful to use it as a student. Similarly, you can create different, notebooks for your work, such as sales, marketing, and more. So Evernote is good for businesses and for personal use as well. To create a new notebook, you simply type in the name, Let's say that I am using Evernote for work. So that was my first notebook, but the second one is going to be for my personal use. Click on create and a new notebook will be created. And now again, I can open up my workbook and begin creating a new note. Then we can simply move to tags. In tags, you will be able to create different tags for your list that you create. You can create new tags for different notes that you take and different tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new tag known as completed. There you go. A new tag has been created. Similarly, I can go ahead and create different tags and they will be organized in alphabetic order right here. You will also be able to check the number of tasks that you have added in a tag. Then we have shared with me option, and in here you will be able to find different notebooks or different notes that somebody has shared with you. So it will not be mixed up with your personal notes. And then of course we have a trash option where you will be able to find the notes that you have actually, deleted. If you want to go with a shortcut, you will be able to access your notes right here. For example, my work notes and my things to do. And we get an expanded view of what we were going to do. Similarly, when you're creating a new note, you can simply go ahead and create from any of the different templates. For example, a meeting note, or you can also open a gallery where you can choose from different templates. There are hundreds of templates available. For example, for life, school, creative writing, home and garden, meetings, party planning, and more. Let's go for school. You will be able to find right here your whole timetable. You can also use Evernote for travel if you want to create a travel log. Then you can also use it for marketing and sales, HR, and project management. When it comes to project management, these are the different templates that you will get, and you can simply select from these templates. Let's go with this one. And now this note will be created like this. And now I can simply go ahead and add a title and type in whatever I want to. And this is how you can simply go ahead and create notes right here on Evernote. Evernote is super professional and helps you save time and get more productive. You can organize your work very easily with Evernote, and I really like its organize feature. That helps you organize your work, and you can also use it for personal use. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Evernote for your work and personal use. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.